Kalimpong yelek kai quarter final jong Meghalaya Youth League hakathup under 16 happening Karibhoy District Sport Association bat ka Resubel Para District Sport Association kalayat shakmat menta ka stem hamadan sai nehu katba hakathup yelek kai under 14 pan kabalong hamadan MFA polo ka jingyakani ka jingjam kalong hapadeng ka kenhu nilai kai jong Karibhoy District Sport Association persya ya ka North Garo District Sport Association.